Hi everybody, welcome back to my IGTV. I wanted to share a few goodies from the grand opening of Bloomingdale's beauty department in Hackensack, New Jersey at the shops at Riverside. And I was gifted this beautiful beauty box, so I figured I'd open it with you because I can't imagine there's not some good stuff in here given what I saw today when I walked through the new Bloomingdale's department, beauty department. And so I saw them have a section just for By Terry. And By Terry is one of my favorite brands, particularly their skincare and some of their lip products. The By Terry CC Serum in Sunny Flash, I share that more than enough times on my IG stories, particularly around the summer when I love to get that extra glow, and I just put that and some concealer and I'm pretty much done. So I figured, why don't we jump into some of the goodies and see what is new at Bloomingdale's. This is actually from the manager when I was talking to her there. Hello. The pink diamond lifting face mask. She said this was amazing, especially right before an event, and I have a couple events coming up, especially with New York Fashion Week and some events that I'm hosting with a few brands, and I am so excited to try this because she said it was amazing. So that's from Rodile, and she also said this was really good too. I tend to have a little bit of some smile lines. I'm smiling all the time. So she said the bee venom from the micro sting patches, bee venom essentially from Rodile, was really good too, so I'm gonna give those a try. Okay, so let's get to the beauty box. So this is the box. This is the entire box, and I'm gonna open it up with you. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Here we go. Thank you, Bloomingdale's. Wait a second. That's way more than I thought. How? Okay, first of all, that's beautiful. Thank you, Bloomingdale's. Thank you, Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale's beauty, right? Okay, so there's a couple of things in here. I don't even know where to start. Okay, we're gonna start with the top right corner. So we have from Lancome, we have the Gentrifique Yeux. I took French, I should know how to say this. The Gentrifique Yeux Light Pearl Concentrate. This looks stunning. This is, it's for the eyes and for your lashes. So check that out, that's what that's for. How do people do this these days? For getting in there. Anyway, that's this. No way. What? A Givenchy lipstick in deep velvet. This is Le Rouge Deep Velvet from Givenchy. Okay, I'm a lip girl. Le Rouge Deep Velvet. This color is in beige, number 10. It is a velvet cover on that lipstick. Oh. Okay, I can't open it. Now I gotta figure out how to open it. It's so fancy, I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. So pretty, right? It is Maison Francis Kirk Dijon from Paris. And it is a perfumery, excuse me. And so this one's called Aquavite Forte. And so let me smell. Let's smell how this, let's see what this smells like. Wow, this smells good. This smells good for the house. This is YSL. So I am a big fan of the Tatouage Couture matte satins. This is a different color for me, but I met up with one of the girls that were representing YSL when she was there today, and one of the things I was talking about was how much I love, take a look at that, how much I love the applicator, because essentially it's like a lip liner that helps you line your lips, and then you can put it in. So this color happens to be number 8. They don't have names, they go by numbers. So that is from YSL. Everything that I open here, I'm gonna find a link for it and then I'll let you know. And then this is from Shiseido. This is another lip product. They must know that I'm obsessed with lipsticks. This one is Coral Spark. I like looking at the applicators. This is a different type of applicator, but nonetheless, it's like a thinner doe foot applicator. So that's really nice. So this is in Coral Spark from Shiseido. And then we have a Bobbi Brown product, a lip product. I'm feeling lucky. I might have to do a giveaway. This is their Luxe Liquid Lip in High Shine, and the color is Italian Rose, number 3. Let's look at this color. That's this. There we go. And then applicators are everything. So there you go. Oh, is it pointy? There we go. There you go. Check that out. So this is the Bobbi Brown. So I want to try all these, but I'd be here all day. So I just wanted to show you what's out there. This is one of the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. One of my fave for sure. Listen, I hear people say this is a fave, that's a fave, but the thing about life is that you can like as many things as you want to like. You can have many favorites, and so I have many favorites, okay? Just putting that out there. This one is called, this is the famous Pillow Talk. You know I don't have one of these, and so I'm excited to try Pillow Talk. And so that's the color of Pillow Talk. Little inspo there for people who want to talk about how many favorites. From Giorgio Armani, Eyes to Kill, Bouncy High Pigment Eye Color. Bouncy, what is that? Let's check a look. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a single eyeshadow essentially. Let's see if we can get you in there. Oh my goodness, that's so pearlescent, look at that. Let's see if we can get better. There we go. It's really pearlescent. Very nice. Very smooth and soft. So that's from Giorgio Armani. Single shadows. Lip pencil here. From, let's ignore that. Oh, from Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier's lip stuff is good. So this is her lip pencil in Grenadine. And this I can, oh, it's a nice red. Let's see if we can take a look at that. If I get in there. Look at that. That's actually a really pretty color. This is perfect for a good red. You know, I was talking to someone that you can take lip pencils sometimes, like I do, and I just pencil my lips and line my lips, and then I kind of just feather down the color and put a little lip balm, and out the door I go when I'm in a rush. So that's always a fun thing to do. And then the last thing I have is this Space NK goodie bag. Space NK has so many different brands that they carry. So this is a nice little goodie bag. They have Eve Lom, Malin and Gotts, they have Tata Harper, Dennis Gross, and Diptyque. So these are just a few. Oh wait, there's something in the back, I'll show it to you. And Virtue. Wow, so that's for the hair. So Diptyque, we have a perfume from Diptyque. It's mint. And it smells delicious. Oh my goodness. This is good for pillows. These types of sprays are really good for putting on your pillow. Okay, so we have moisture cream from Eve Lom, just so you get an idea of what the branding looks like. That's for Eve Lom. Sorry if it gets blurry. We have Malin and Gotts. I'm actually burning, ironically, I'm actually burning one of Malin and Gotts candles right now. It's a dark rum, it's called, the candle. And we have Tata Harper, her I can't speak today. Her resurfacing serum. This is really good. And it's good when you travel, so I like that I have a travel size. And then we have the Dr. Dennis Gross Clinical Grade Resurfacing Liquid Peel. And that's Dr. Gross's things. And then Virtue for the hair. I've never heard of this brand, Virtue, but I'm gonna give it a try, why not, right? So, there you go. Oh, and, oh wow, and one last thing from Creed. From father to son, it says. How interesting. The House of Creed has been handcrafting uncommon fragrances for royal houses for over 250 years. So these are 3 fragrances from Creed. I don't know much about Creed, but I'm excited to learn. Let me just say, first and foremost, thank you so much to Bloomingdales for gifting me this beauty box. I know this was just a little quick informal video, but I wanted to share with you all the great brands that are now at Bloomingdale's at the shops at Riverside in Hackensack, New Jersey. So you should definitely stop by, check out their new wing. I hear they have a spa. Actually, I saw their spa, their revitalized spa, and I know that they're doing some master classes with influencers and things of that nature. So if you're interested and you're in the New Jersey area, you should definitely check them out. And until next time, bye.